Chikuzen-ni Bento!
First, we'll make dashi broth using dried shiitake mushrooms. Place the mushrooms in a bowl, add water, and let them soak at room temperature for 2 to 3 hours. Next, it's time to prepare konjac. This low-calorie, fiber-rich food is made from konjac yam. Cut it into bite-sized pieces using a spoon or tiered hand. Wrap the pieces with salt and boil them in water for 2 to 3 minutes to remove any lingering odor. Peel the carrots and cut them into chunks. Now, let's handle the burdock root. It's a crunchy root vegetable with a distinctive flavor. Thinly peel it using the back of a knife and then cut into bite-sized pieces. Soak the pieces in water to remove any bitterness. As for the lotus root, I'll be using pre-cooked ones today. Strain the dried shiitake mushrooms that has been soaking in water for a few hours. The water should have changed color, indicating the extraction of good broth. Slice the softened mushrooms into bite-sized pieces. The vegetable preparation is now complete. Let's move on to the chicken thighs. Remove the skin and excess fat. Then, cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. In a deep pot, heat some oil over medium to high heat. Start by sautéing the chicken until it changes color. Once the chicken is browned, add the burdock, carrots, lotus root, konjac, and shiitake mushrooms. Stir-fry the mixture. Add the dashi broth from the mushrooms, sake, mirin, and soy sauce. Cover the pot and let it simmer over low to medium heat for 15 minutes. While it simmers, prepare the snow peas for decoration. Boil them in salted water for 2 minutes. Then slice them lengthwise. Now let's make Dashimaki tamago. Beat the eggs in a bowl, add the white dashi, and mix gently. Pour a bit of oil onto a small plate and soak it with a piece of kitchen paper. Heat a square frying pan over low heat. Pour a small amount of egg and roll it as it solidifies. Repeat until all the egg mixture is used. Cut the roll when it's slightly cooled. Now it's time to assemble the bento. Start with white rice, then add the lettuce. Pour in the Chikuzen-ni with plenty of broth and Dashimaki tamago. Add some Japanese pickles. Finally, sprinkle some furikake on top of the rice. Your Chikuzen-ni bento is ready to enjoy.